In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search Microsoft Teams by date. This handy feature can help you find past conversations or important details you've discussed that are relevant to your current tasks. Let's dive right in to show you how you can make your searches in Microsoft Teams more efficient and time-saving. First, let's discuss why mastering this feature is essential. Searching by date in Microsoft Teams allows you to narrow down your search results, making it easier to find specific information lost in a sea of messages and channels. Whether you're trying to locate a particular conversation with a colleague or retrieve information that was shared weeks ago, having the capability to filter messages by date can significantly streamline the process. Now, before we proceed, ensure you're logged into your Microsoft Teams account. Once you're successfully logged in, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of your Teams app. This search bar not only allows you to find messages, people, or files but is also the gateway to refining your search using dates. To begin your search, you simply need to enter a keyword related to the information you're trying to find. After typing in your keyword or phrase, press Enter. This will bring up a list of results associated with your search term, but don't worry, we'll be adding our date filter next to refine this list. Once your search results are displayed, look for the Filters option, located right under the search box. Clicking on Filters will give you several options to narrow down your results further. Here, you'll see categories such as Messages, People, and Files. To search by date, focus on the Messages option if you're looking for text exchanges or relevant conversation threads. With the Messages filter selected, we're now going to add the date range. On the right side of the results screen, you'll spot the Date Filter option. Click on it to reveal a calendar view. Here, you can specify the exact date or date range you want to filter by. This is particularly useful if you remember when a conversation took place but not the precise details. Once you've selected your desired date or range, your search results will automatically update. Now, you should see only those messages that were exchanged during the specified period, all aligning with your original search term. Go through the list to find what you're looking for and click on the message to view it in full and within its original context. And there you have it, a straightforward method to search Microsoft Teams by date. By leveraging this tool, you can quickly access past conversations and ensure you always have the relevant details at your fingertips. Practice using this feature to experience the added efficiency it brings to your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy searching!